Today, we're delving into the world of print on demand with Printify. Printify is a leading platform that enables businesses to create and sell custom-designed products without inventory hassles. Typically used by entrepreneurs, artists, and online retailers, Printify empowers users to turn their ideas into profitable products. Let's explore its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's take a look at Printify's main features. Vast print provider network. Printify connects users with a vast network of print providers worldwide, offering a wide range of products including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more, ensuring users can find the perfect match for their designs and target audience. Integration with e-commerce platforms. Printify seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and eBay, allowing users to create custom products, sync inventory, and fulfill orders directly from their online stores. Customizable product designs. With Printify's easy-to-use design tools, users can create custom products with their unique designs, logos, and branding elements, giving them full control over their product offerings and brand identity. Automated order fulfillment. Printify automates the order fulfillment process from production to shipping, saving users time and effort and ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. Real-time order tracking. Users can track their orders in real time, monitor product status, and receive shipping updates, providing transparency and peace of mind to both sellers and buyers. Competitive pricing. Printify offers competitive pricing with no upfront costs or monthly fees, allowing users to set their profit margins and price products competitively on the market. Printify's pricing structure is transparent and straightforward. There are no upfront costs or monthly fees to use the platform. Instead, users can pay the base cost of products, which varies on factors like product type, design complexity, and print provider. Users can set up their profit margins on top of the base cost, determining the final selling price of their products. For example, a basic t-shirt may have the base cost of $10, and users can set a profit margin of $5, resulting in the final selling price of $15. Users praise Printify for its user-friendly interface, allowing easy product creation, seamless integration with e-commerce platforms, and responsive customer support. With Printify, users can create and sell custom-designed products with ease, making it an ideal solution for entrepreneurs and online retailers looking to expand their product offerings and reach new customers. The pros of using Printify includes its vast print provider network, seamless integration with e-commerce platforms, customizable product designs, and automated order fulfillment, real-time order tracking, and competitive pricing. However, potential costs may include competition, and that's especially within the print-on-demand market. It also has issues with quality control, especially with print providers, and varying shipping times depending on location and print provider availability. Alternative print-on-demand platforms to Printify include Printful, Guten, Teespring, and Redbubble. Each platform offers similar services with varying features, pricing structure, and product offerings, providing users with options to explore and find a print-on-demand solution that best fits their needs and goals. In conclusion, Printify offers a comprehensive print-on-demand solution with its extensive print provider network, seamless integration with e-commerce platforms, customizable product designs, automated order fulfillment, real-time order tracking, and competitive pricing. Whether you're an entrepreneur, artist, or online retailer, Printify provides the tools and resources to turn your ideas into profitable products. Sign up for Printify today to start your print-on-demand journey and unlock the potential of custom-designed products. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insights and tips on maximizing your print-on-demand business. Thank you for watching.